doing. We've got 80-pound leader, a 3/8 hook, 4-0, 60-pound line, 80-pound leader, and I've got this new design I'm running. New big ribbon tail, 4 to 6 inch. Now I'm just drifting over a shallow reef. What I'll do is I'll lob it out, let it sink down a foot or two, just rip it back, let it fall. Rip it back, let it fall. Rip it back, let it fall. We've just got a trout down here. See if we can get another one. What the fuck's here? Trouty. Legal trout. This is on my new design with a TS in the tail. It's a big pink ribbon, 4 to 6 inch. She's working a treat. Went out for a field test this morning. Throw it over the reef and boof, she'll be legal. Trouty. And she just loved this.